Welcome, and thank you for being here. If you're preparing a funeral program for someone you love, we understand how overwhelming that can feel. This video will walk you through how to create a beautiful professional funeral program in just 10 minutes using a ready-made template from the funeral program site, edited in Google Docs. You'll see how simple it is to personalize the text, add a photo, and download a print-ready file, all from any device, without needing design experience or special software. Creating a funeral program doesn't have to be overwhelming or time-consuming. With the right template, you can create a beautiful professional funeral program in as little as 10 minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that using a funeral program template from the funeral program site, edited in Google Docs for easy online access anywhere. First, choose a funeral program template from the funeral program site. These templates are professionally designed and already formatted, so you don't have to worry about layout, spacing, or print sizing. Once you select a design, download the Google Docs version. This allows you to work entirely online without installing any software. Next, open the template in Google Docs. Because it's cloud-based, you can edit your funeral program from any computer or device. The interface is intuitive, making it easy to update text, collaborate with family members, and make quick changes when needed. Now, replace the sample text with your loved one's information. Update the name, dates, obituary, service details, and order of service by clicking directly into each text area and typing. Adding a photo is just as easy. You can insert a photo using the menu or simply drag and drop a photo directly from your desktop onto the template page. Once the image is placed, you can resize it, reposition it, and adjust it within the design while the template keeps everything clean, aligned, and professional. When you're finished, take a moment to review your funeral program for accuracy, then download it as a PDF for printing at home, sending to a local printer, or ordering professional funeral program printing services. And that's it. In just 10 minutes, you've created a meaningful funeral program that honors your loved one with care and dignity. For professionally designed templates that are easy to customize and accessible anywhere, visit the funeral program site. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who may need guidance during a difficult time.